Alright guys, this is the blade that I've been using today. And it's the strongest one I can find. So anything that says including stainless steel on it, it's got to be strong. So you've got thickness ranges here. It's basically supposed to be able to cut any type of metal. And so far, it's doing a great job. I've probably done 20 to 30 cuts with it, and it's still ripping through the metal pretty good on the unistrut. But the other blades cut just fine, and then all of a sudden you'll do one cut and then go to the next one, and it's a night and day difference. It's like the blade dies after one cut. And I haven't figured out why that is, but hopefully we'll be able to keep going with these. I ordered some of the larger ones, the 8-inch ones, just barely get through on that little Ryobi miter saw. But I ordered some 9-inch and 10-inch ones, and we'll just keep moving forward with the project. So today, as you can see, if my camera would focus, got a tremendous amount of work done. We got the brackets mounted on the fuel tank, and that's ready to go. Got the front cab portion finished up here for the most part. Now keep in mind, that what I'm doing is just the basic structural frame. At the end, I'm going to come back with any of the extra strut that I might have. Hopefully I'll have some left over, and I'll add additional bracing. Obviously I have to do some cross bracing for the roof and stuff like that, but I'll do that at the end. I just want to get the main frame, the whole frame laid out. Now, is this perfect? No, absolutely not. I'm doing the best I can with the tools I have. I've got a little level that you probably see me using, and an angle finder and a tape measure. I'm using very basic hand tools. There is, if you look at it, there is some discrepancies, like this side for whatever reason it is 1/8 of an inch higher than that side, and you know, stuff like that. I'm thinking I'm going to do away with the angled roof idea, because if I just make it flat all the way across the top, that means I can put like a roof rack on it and still get in the garage, hopefully. We'll see. I'm not 100% certain on any of this stuff yet. I'm just kind of putting it together as I go and thinking about trying to think things through so I don't make any more mistakes. But right now it's basically like a little pickup truck. If you think about it, it's got a flatbed. It'll need to have, you know, some metal or some whatever put down, but right now I've got the whole flatbed frame set up. And you see, I was really upset that I made those little pieces that go in between, because look at how much better this looks. One straight piece, continuous, looks so much better. I'm really pleased with how the basic layout got put together and how strong this is. I mean, you can stand on any of these now, and this thing is ridiculously strong. So I was really worried about the front cab portion not being strong enough to have a seat and all that stuff in it, but that's just how these SNOWCATs are made, and it didn't have this much support when it was original, and I've added a tremendous amount of support. So we're going to keep moving forward on this project, guys. Tremendous amount of work done today. I'm really pleased with that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hope you guys are staying safe. And as always, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.